Hello and welcome. If you're learning how to draw, ChatGPT can actually be a useful tool. Here are 5 simple ways to use it to improve your drawings. Tip number 1. Generate drawing ideas. This tip maybe seems obvious, but you can use ChatGPT to generate drawing ideas when you don't know what to draw or just when you feel bored and want to get some inspiration on what to draw. You can use different prompts for this one. For example, give me 10 simple drawing ideas for beginners, or give me easy things to draw when I'm bored, or list 10 small things and simple doodle ideas. In this case, I decided to draw the cartoon fish that ChatGPT suggested. Tip number 2 is turning one idea into different variations. Instead of asking for new drawing ideas, in this way, you can turn the one idea that you have into different variations, and this can help you explore more creativity. For example, if you want to draw a plant, you can tell ChatGPT, give me 5 variations of a simple plant drawing. In this case, I have decided to draw different types of flowers: daisies, tulips, roses, and poppies. The third tip is to use ChatGPT to create drawing challenges. In this way, you can make your drawing practice more challenging and fun. The simplest way to get a fast drawing challenge is telling ChatGPT, give me a 5-minute drawing challenge. In this case, ChatGPT suggested me to do the random mashup challenge, which just means that you need to combine 2 different objects into the same drawing. In my case, I decided on a cat and a cup. So I drew a cat inside a cup because I think that's a fun idea and it's nice to practice something that's not realistic. I think the biggest challenge here is that even if it maybe feels strange to draw something like that, just don't erase it and keep going, keep drawing, because in the end you might like the picture. And the main goal of this challenge is to practice your drawing. Tip number 4 is using different styles. In this way, you can practice to draw the same thing in different styles. For example, if you usually try to draw in the realistic style, maybe it's fun to try out drawing something in the cartoon style, or maybe something simplified, just to try out different styles. Maybe even just leave it as a sketch. In this case, I have decided to draw daisies. The first daisy is with my normal style with shading. The second style is just a sketch of a daisy. The third style is a cartoon style. And the fourth style is a simplified style without shading. The fifth tip is to ask ChatGPT for constraints. In this way, you challenge yourself and your drawing style to get out of your comfort zone. This can, for example, be drawing in colors that you don't usually draw, or using only one line to complete the drawing. In this case, I have decided to do something that I never do, and I drew using only one line, so without lifting the pen from the paper. I drew a rose, and then I decided, let's keep it fun, and I have only used non-realistic colors to draw the roses, so I did it in a light turquoise and blue tones. So in this way, you challenge yourself to get out of your comfort zone and to just practice drawing without focusing too much on every detail or being realistic. In the end, I still decided to draw a leaf just to make it more clear that it's a rose, but I think even without that, it turned out pretty good. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.